Hi mga Backlogs, welcome back to my channel and this is Hamilton TV. I'll make a list na 500 things to do before you die. There are plenty of short, generic lists of things people want to accomplish. It's time for a more extensive list. You have an entire life to live. Here's a list of 500 things that you can use to start accomplish everything you're capable of. Let's see how many you have done so far. How many have you accomplished? Let's start. Act in play. Adopt a child. Ask for a raise. Attend a Broadway show. Attend a cooking class. Attend the Olympics. Attend a wedding. Attend a funeral. Attend a costume party. Attend a musical festival. Attend gay pride event. Attend a high school reunion. Attend Burning Man. Attend or host a bonfire party. Watch a bullfight. Attend a masquerade ball. Attend a murder mystery party. Attend a pig roast party. Attend a presidential inauguration. Attend a rodeo. Attend a TV host talk. Host a party. Attend a carnival. Attend the carnival in Rio Carneja. Oktoberfest. Attend Dia de los Muertos Festival. Attend church. Bake a cake. Bake a cookies. Eat pizza in Italy. Eat sushi in Japan. Eat pasta in Italy again. Own a home. Be an extra in a movie or TV show. Be blind for a day. Become a millionaire. Become a parent. Be a mentor. Interview for a job. Be night. Be on the radio. Be on the Jumbotron. Ano yun? Be a groomsman. Be a bridesmaid. Be a fratman or member of sorority. Be a member in the audience of a TV show. Register an organ donor. Join the military. Get certified in CPR. You become friends with your parents. Follow Hamilton Blanza on Instagram. Bet on a horse race. Enter my dog a dog show. Break a Guinness Book of Record. Break a bone. Get shot by a taser. Get shot by a bullet. Go bowling. Break a pinata. Who gets a big wishbone? Wish come true. Breath in helium. Build a blanket fort. Build a sandcastle. Build a snowman. Build a tree house. Build a gingerbread house. Build furniture. Build and light a bonfire. Go bungee jumping. Buy a lottery ticket. Buy a car. Buy a house. Buy a boat. Buy something expensive from a luxury brand. Fall in love. Cage dive with sharks. Cage dive with crocodiles. Save someone's life. Curb a pumpkin. Curb something on a tree. Catch a fish and eat it. Catch fireflies. Catch a thief. Celebrate St. Patrick's Day in Ireland. Celebrate Mardi Gras in New Orleans. Celebrate Holi in India. Celebrate holiday in different country. Celebrate an anniversary. Change a tire. Change the oil in the car. Climb a mountain. Climb a tree. Climb a volcano. Threw a coin in a fountain. Coach a kids sports team. Competed in a science fair. Competed in the national level. Compose music. Complete a 1,000 piece of jigsaw puzzle at your own. Complete a video game. Graduated high school. Graduated college. Siyempre, graduated elementary school. Got a master's degree. Get a PhD. Get my MBA. Law degree. Cook a holiday dinner. Have a picnic. Cover someone's car in post-it note. Crash a party. Crash a wedding. Crash a car. Create a drink. Create a website. Create family tree. Create a personal scrapbook or a family book. Dance in the rain. Deep sea fishing. Deliver a baby. Deliver a eulogy. Ding dong ditching. Dive in a ball pit. Dive in a submarine. Scuba dive. Scuba dive in the great deep blue sea. Scuba dive in the Great Barrier Reef. Scuba dive with manta rays. Explore a shipwreck. Complete 100 push-ups challenge. Keg stands. Go to a stand-up comedy show. Donate blood. Dog sled. Donate hair. Donate to charity. Pull an all-nighter. Dress up for Halloween. Drink at an ice bar. Drink Guinness in Dublin. Drink a margarita in Mexico. Drink tea from a beautiful set. of tea set. Eat at a 5-star restaurant. Eat at a Michelin star restaurant. Drive a car. Drive a bumper car. Drive a tractor. Drive a Ferrari. Drive across USA from coast to coast. Ride on a Zamboni. Ride a bike. Ride a horse. Ride an elephant. Ride a roller coaster. Ride a helicopter. Ride a double-decker bus. Ride a camel. Ride a motorcycle. Ride a jet ski. Ride a train. Ride a subway in New York. Ride a moped. Drive a snowmobile. Earn a 6-figure salary. Earn a raise. Earn a scholarship. Do a color run. Do a somersault. Learn to how ice skate. Learn a foreign language. Learn to drive. Learn to surf. Learn to play musical instrument. Learn how to play chess. Learn sign language. Learn a martial art. Learn a new skill. Learn how to cook. Learn how to play guitar. Learn how to use chopsticks. Learn how to drive shape sticks. Learn to play piano. Escape room. Experience weightlessness. Experience a solar eclipse. Experience an out-of-body experiment. Experience a hurricane. Experience earthquake. Labor pains. Explore an abandoned building. Get lost in a foreign country. Fake an orgasm. Feed the ducks. Feed the giraffe. Fast for a week. Find a 4-leaf clover. Fly first class in an airplane. Float in the Dead Sea. Fly in a private jet. Fly in a hot air balloon. That's only 200 mga backlogs. Kala niyo 500 na. Hingal na ako. Siguro 200 na lang muna. Yan lang. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next vlog. Please like and comment in this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and share this. Love you, mga backlogs. Bye.